Okay, here we have an Ingersoll Rand 120 gallon vertical compressor. This is 10 horsepower, 230 volt, 3-phase. It is unused and it's in very good condition. It just has a little minor shipping distress. We'll show you that in a moment, but most importantly, it does operate very nicely. I'm going to fire it up for you. Alright, so this tube right here from the pump head down to the tank, it got dinged and bent. You know, it appears to operate okay, except for right here, there is a little bit of leakage from this flared fitting. So this tube will probably have to be changed out or replaced if you have your own tubing bender. And then this belt fan shroud right here, it's a little dented in. It doesn't affect the operation of the unit at all. Overall, it's in really good condition. And we thank you for looking at our product.